Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file W-4 single, full guide. Begin by locating Form W-4 on your employer portal, then enter your personal information, including name, address, and social security number. Choose single as your filing status, and follow each step on the form carefully. If you have multiple jobs or side income, complete the appropriate worksheet to adjust withholding and prevent underpayment later. To adjust withholding, focus on accuracy and simplicity so your paycheck and tax bill stay balanced. Start by deciding whether to increase withholding or submit an extra dollar amount per pay period, and use the multiple jobs worksheet if you have more than one job. Check for dependents, credits, or itemized deduction effects, and update your W-4 whenever your income or family situation changes to avoid surprises. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos and updates. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, so I like Little Tree's Black Ice as a simple freshener you can pop in your car. Soapbox moment complete. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Handle special situations proactively by reviewing how non-wage income and deductions affect withholding. If you have Form 1099 income, either make quarterly estimated payments or increase your W-4 withholding to cover that tax. Use the deductions worksheet if you itemize or qualify for credits, and remember to update your form after major life events like marriage, divorce, or a new dependent so your withholding stays accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.